What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 24.3K. Two scenarios I want to look at. Down about 2% on the day, same market cap of 466 million. 24-hour volume is sitting at the round number of 40 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, check out my full-length tutorial. This is where I do the majority of my trading, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Sign up to either exchange, email me, or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So a couple scenarios we can look at for BTC. We pulled back into our wave 4 pullback zone. So we may be looking to push up in that wave 5. However, there is a secondary scenario that we had an overshooting wave B. So I'll show it to you on this chart here. So what you could be looking at is you've pushed up in a wave 1. That's a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And because this is so far 3 waves up, you could be looking at a wave A, that's an overshooting wave B, and you're looking to come down in a wave C, which is exactly what we saw at the previous all-time high. We came down in a wave A, we had an overshooting wave B, which was a 3-wave move, A, B, C, and then we came down in a massive C wave in a 5-wave move. So you may be looking at that on a smaller scale because so far we've only had 3 waves up, and there are quite a few altcoins that look like they're putting in wave Bs. So Bitcoin could potentially be doing the same unless we can see an impulsive move and a 5-wave move to break this high to put in a wave 5. What you could potentially be looking at, let me do it on this chart so it makes more sense on the 4-hour time frame, is that you're coming down in a wave C. And potentially you could be looking at a 1, 2, and then you would come down in a 3, 4, 5 to potentially put in that wave C. So do watch for that, because right now this impulse is struggling in my opinion. And it's Friday, we're going into the weekend, so trading volume will likely slow down, always does on the weekends the majority of the time. I was in a long trade. My average price is currently sitting at about 23.9K. I put a stop loss at my break even. Also in an Ethereum long trade with my stop loss at break even, just in case this turns around. Then I've completely eliminated my risk. As you can see, this is not very impulsive and looks pretty corrective for Ethereum. So we could also be looking at this as an overshooting wave B. So the 5-wave move would already be complete. You have a wave A down, overshooting wave B, and then you would look to come down in a wave C. It's definitely possible. That's why I decided to eliminate the risk from the trades and wait to see how it plays out. So if you fail to break that high and you start to roll over, you lose that wave 1 low, then higher probability. We've gone through an overshooting wave B in a 3-wave move. So you went up A, B, C in a 3-wave move to complete the B, and you're looking to come down in a wave C. However, if we do start to break that previous high, then we can look at that wave 5 impulse to the upside. But right now, to me, it looks like this impulse is struggling. Unless some pretty strong volume steps in to push in the price. We'll have to see how that goes. I'm in 2 long trades. If I get stopped out at break even and it pushes up in a wave 5, then I'll look for the short. But if it rolls over, then I avoided taking any losses. All right, gang. So make sure to sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals here. Just moved my stop losses to break even. And crypto news, member profits, they like to post their profits in here. As you can see, making some juicy gains. Mahalo all plays, all coming in for the prices. A Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal with a Coke. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.